Now, your most accurate forecast with WJBF Live VIPIR 6 in partnership with AECom, built to deliver a better world.
Good morning and thanks for watching. Time now 6:46. Your forecast throughout the day, hour by hour, mostly cloudy with rain and storms. Early this morning, if you're headed to the course by 8, mostly cloudy, dry and 64. We'll start to see a few light showers by 11 a.m. and 73. Rain and thunderstorms from noon all the way through 8 o'clock this evening. And again, a few of those thunderstorms are going to be severe. By 3 o'clock this afternoon, our high very warm and muggy at 80 degrees. Current temperatures around your hometown of Saluda, South Carolina. Good morning. Right now, you're at 62. 65 Louisville and 66 degrees currently in Swainsboro. Right now on WJBF Live VIPIR 6 radar, a few light sprinkles right now across Wilkes County, Tolliver, Warren, Glasscock, and also Jefferson County. As we zoom out across Georgia and South Carolina, not too bad. We have some early morning light to moderate rainfall around northwestern Georgia. But notice across portions of central northern Alabama, a nice line of thunder shower activity. Producing some severe thunderstorms early this morning. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for portions of central and southern Alabama through noon today. Also tornado watch in effect. The yellow makes it the red shaded boxes until around 10 a.m. this morning. And again, we are seeing numerous severe thunderstorm warnings as this line of thunder shower activity continues to push off to the east. So again, we'll have to deal with some severe thunderstorms as we head throughout the afternoon and early on tonight. So the Storm Prediction Center has placed us in the slight category, meaning we are going to see scattered severe thunderstorms for the afternoon. A slightly better opportunity for severe weather around Atlanta, Georgia, and Macon, Georgia. The main threat will be some damaging winds, small hail, and an isolated tornado or two not out of the question. We also have a wind advisory in effect for Richmond County, Burke, and all the other highlighted counties across the viewing area this afternoon until 4 a.m. on Tuesday. Here's a look at the culprit. Big upper level low trailing cold front that will march east, bringing us the possibility for severe weather throughout the day. So we'll take you through the morning hour by hour at 6:47. Again, the model picking up on some of those light showers across our western line counties through around 10:30 this morning. The bulk of the rain still across portions of Alabama, moving into northwestern Georgia by 2:30 this afternoon, possibly sparking off some severe thunderstorms. Then that will move into the viewing area as we head towards 5 o'clock this afternoon, all the way through 10 o'clock tonight. Then after 10 o'clock tonight, skies will gradually start to clear out. You'll wake up Tuesday morning, headed out to the course at 7:30 with plenty of sunshine, and then very, very nice with plenty of sunshine and dry conditions on Tuesday before we get you back to more rain for Wednesday. Mostly cloudy, rain and storms today, a few severe with a high of 80. Mostly cloudy, rain and storms, a few severe tonight, lows down to 62. WJBF Live VIPIR 6-day forecast for Tuesday, a dry afternoon with plenty of sunshine, and we'll keep it very warm with a high of 85. Wednesday, another round for rain and thunderstorms, a few severe with a high of 82. Lingering chance for showers and storms Thursday, 72. Friday looking good, sunny, cool, and 68. Saturday, mostly sunny, dry, and 70.